बांग्लादेश में पिछले दिनों जिस तरह से हिंसा हुई और निशाना बनाया गया वहां के नेशनल डेलीज को, ना सिर्फ डेली स्टार बल्कि प्रथम ओलो को भी निशाना बनाया गया, भीड़ ने इसको निशाना बनाया था 19 दिसंबर की रात को। उसके बाद एक और ताजा मामला सामने आया है जहां पर हेड ऑफ न्यूज ग्लोबल टीवी बांग्लादेश की नाजनीन मुन्नी हमारे साथ हैं, जो सीधे ढाका से जुड़ी हैं। नाजनीन, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है न्यूज इन इंडिया पर। अ, सबसे
Thank you so
पहले
much.
सबसे पहले नाजरीन ये बताइए कि ये धमकी किसने दी आपको, कौन थे वो लोग और क्या हुई थी पूरी घटना।
First of all, मैं माफी चाहता हूँ. मेरा हिंदी not good as well.
जी।
But मैं ट्राई करती हूँ हिंदी और इंग्लिश में बताने के लिए,
जी।
क्योंकि आपका चैनल हिंदी में है.
जी।
Um, मैं हेड ऑफ न्यूज हूँ, and all the journalists know that all the time that we have to face some of threatened, right? So all the time I got some threatened by social media, by inbox, by somewhere else.
आपको सोशल मीडिया पे पहले से धमकियां मिल रही थी मतलब।
Yeah, lots of. क्योंकि मैं लड़की हूँ, and I am always the anchor and news reporter of political news, so I have to get lots of political threats by the fanatic or someone. Okay,
जी।
so ये तो चलता रहता है. But this is extreme when they came to my office, right?
ये
They
कब हुआ
provoked,
था?
yeah, 21 December रात को, right?
ओके ओके।
Approximate 8 o'clock और आसपास की है. Okay, a group of people, individual, came to the channel office and demanded I be removed from my position, right? उन्होंने मेरे को देखना नहीं चाहता. Okay, they identified themselves as the member of student platform. During the interaction, threats were made in connection with that demand. I was not present at that time in the office, and but was informed by my management later on.
लेकिन उन्होंने ये धमकी क्यों दी, उन्होंने उनका मकसद क्या था, वो क्यों चाहते हैं कि आपको हटाया जाए?
I don't know actually. They said that I am the doshor, the doshor word. You know about the doshor word? This is the this is the extreme word in our country. After losing their power, Awami League, the former Prime Minister Sheikh
या
Hasina and
या
and her party, Awami League, when they lost their position, and some people said that who supported Sheikh Hasina, they are the doshor of Sheikh Hasina. Okay, doshor means supporter, right? So extreme supporter, if someone is doshor, named by doshor and tagged with the doshor name, they will be punished and they will not working with any station or any organization. This is the rule of this country right now.
तो क्या उन्होंने ये धमकी दी आपको कि आपका ऑफिस जला दिया जाएगा?
Right. उन्होंने उन्होंने मैनेजमेंट को धमकी दिया. If they didn't remove me, they will burn the house. Because the Daily Star and Pratham Alo already burned. So उन्होंने कहा तुम लोग उसको ना चलाया तो हम आपको ऑफिस जला देंगे.
लेकिन क्या इस इंसिडेंट के बाद, इस धमकी मिलने के बाद, क्या आपने इस मुद्दे को लोकल अथॉरिटीज के साथ उठाया? क्या आपने वहां की सरकार को, वहां की पुलिस को इस बारे में इन्फॉर्म किया?
Yeah, I already informed them, and press secretary called me personally, and he said me that the government with me, and he will take all the initiative I need.
जो रिसेंटली इंसिडेंट्स हुए हैं बांग्लादेश में, जिसमें दो मीडिया हाउसेस को निशाना बनाया गया, प्रथम आलो और डेली स्टार को, उसके साथ साथ कल्चरल इंस्टीट्यूट्स को भी बनाया गया, इंडियन मिशन को भी वहां पे टारगेट किया गया, तो आपको लगता है इन इंसिडेंट्स के बाद में, क्योंकि इसकी जो कंडेमनेशन है पूरी दुनिया में हो रही है, जिस तरह से मीडिया को निशाना बनाया गया बांग्लादेश में, तो क्या वहां की गवर्नमेंट एनफ स्टेप्स ले रही है, काफी कदम उठा रही है ताकि आप लोग सिक्योर महसूस करें?
Government tried with their level best. You know, after losing the power, Sheikh Hasina चला गया जब इस देश से, After that, lots of political parties are ruling this country, actually, not the interim government. So they had lots of demand, actually. So, and the political situation and obviously law and order situation is really damaged. So government all the time try to manage the political situation and the law and order situation also. But these things are going simultaneously. So what should they do? They don't understand, actually. So they try to protect all people, but they can't. Actually, there is some mob situation. All the people, some group of people try to do something, and they create mob, and they will get they want to get what they want. So in that situation, government can do anything. So Pratham Alo Daily Star when burned, we all हम लोग थोड़ा सा नर्वस हो गया all the journalists प्रथम आलो डेली स्टार you know the powerful and the biggest and popular news house उन लोगों को बर्न किया हम लोग तो छोटा है so this is the scenario of journalists but government tried to they tried to control the scenario they tried to control the
मैं इस
normal
प्लेटफॉर्म
situation
से
yeah.
मैं इस प्लेटफॉर्म से चाहूंगा कि आप एक मैसेज कन्वे करें आप क्या मैसेज देगी उन लोगों को जो इस तरह से मीडिया को धमकाते हैं like obviously nobody wants to give up.
Yeah, we the journalists don't never ever want to give up, right? You, me, all the same. So हम लोग कभी भी give up करना नहीं चाहता उन लोगों के लिए you know when they burned the Pratham Alo and Daily Star after one day they publish their first copy and they are running their job and Daily Star made the headline unboard we are all unboard हम लोग नहीं होना चाहते हैं right nobody can unboard us this is the message actually
एक लास्ट सवाल आपसे कि बांग्लादेश में आपकी जैसी महिला पत्रकार के लिए काम करना कितना मुश्किल है कितना आसान है एक सिचुएशन में जहां पर इस वक्त बहुत कुछ चल रहा है ढाका में
actually female journalists are the same situation like as male journalists. There is no variation in this time. But female journalists also face the extra one thing that is social media bullying, right? Trolling, bullying, harassment, women हो तो उसका character ढीला है, like something like that. So women have to face that kind of trolling. This is the extra thing we have to face. हम लोग women journalists हैं. This is the time, so the scenario is not good for the journalists, you know, and we are trying to make some unity to protest this scenario. The journalists are in a very, very critical condition and we all feel threatened. So we are trying to raise our voice and we only want to tell them that nobody can board us.
That means आप पीछे नहीं हटेंगी और बांग्लादेश का मीडिया आपकी जैसे पत्रकार जो है डरने वाले नहीं है
Yeah, definitely we are not feared of anything.
Thank you so much, Nazneen. It was nice talking to you. Thank you for talking to News India.
Yeah, thank you so much. I am so poor about the Hindi language, so I can explain myself properly. So maybe you can. So thank you so much for connecting me.